Hey guys, Natalie here from SERPWizz, and if you are looking for a lead generation tool that lets you audit or gives you white label audits for your website, then we definitely have it over at SERPWizz.com, which is exactly where I am right now. So as you can see, here's the landing page for SERPWizz, and if you are interested in getting your free audit, just enter your details here. And also, if you want a free guide showing you how SERPWizz is generating agencies an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot, then just leave your first name and email on the text boxes here and click on the Find Out How button. But also don't forget to let yourself be added to the SERPWizz mailing list so you get updates about all of the tools that we offer. And with that being said, let's head on over to our main topic for today, which is still about SE ranking. This is actually one of the last videos that we'll be making for this series, or if not the absolute last, because we are done with all of the tools that they have, and I've pretty much discussed everything that you can or that you need to know about SE ranking. So today it'll be just about it's just gonna be a quick talk about their social media features, and this is exactly what it looks like. So as you can see, I haven't connected any of our accounts yet, and I might not do so we won't really be able to see what goes on in here, but I just want to give you an idea about the social media functions that SE ranking has. So you can access this by going or by signing up, of course, with SE ranking, creating your account, and by going to or by selecting a project. Remember, we have done a video about how to create projects here in SE ranking. So if you haven't seen any of those yet, then do visit the rest of our playlist. In fact, I'm gonna leave a link on the description box down below so that you can have a faster access to our playlist as well as our other content that we have done here in our channel. So here you can see the social media dashboard. So if you connect your account here, you'd be able to see your dashboard or the detailed dashboard for your social media accounts. And all of these are very vital to your business, of course, because most of us thrive in the social media platforms that are available. So you would want to have at least an idea of how the social media functions of SE ranking work. And in a separate video, I will be showing you how, or I will be showing you all the other tabs that are available for this specific feature that SE ranking offers. So I hope you tune in for the next video and probably the last video we'll have of SE ranking. And of course, don't forget to like this video, give us a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to visit SERPWizz.com for that lead generation tool that I mentioned earlier. Other than that, guys, I want to thank you all for watching and see you on the next and last video.